Hello, I would like to update you about an update in terminology in the Alma February 2014 release. So, in places where it previously said managed by department, we've changed it now to in process. So if an item is being processed in one of the departments of your institution, for clarification's sake, the terminology is now changed to in process, and you're also given more information on the status and location of the item. So let's take a look in Alma and see some places where this change has taken effect. So the first place is if I do a search for a physical item, let's say King Lear, and you can see here in the results page of the repository search, in the facets bar we see we have process type and in process. So this lets us filter for the items currently in process. And if you look here, let's say at King Lear, we can see where it used to say managed by department, it now says process type, patron digitization request in process. So this shows us the workflow type and the status. So in this case, this item is being digitized and it's currently in process. And we can also see the location, the department where it's being managed, the digitization department for institution. So now it's very clear where the location is, what the workflow type is, and the status of that workflow type. Another place where this change has taken effect is in the Monitor Requests and Work Orders page. Alma menu, Monitor Requests and Work Orders. And once again here we have the information on the process status, the location, and the process date, and as well as in the facets bar over here we have process. We can filter by process type and also by process status. And one last place where we can see this new terminology is in the department if we go into manage in process items. So let's for example go to the digitization department. And go to Manage In-Process Items. And as you can see here we have information about the process as well in the department, including the status of the process, etc. So this is new terminology where items used to be labeled as managed by department, they are now known as items in process. Thank you very much for listening to this update.